Hello, something a little bit different today. Whilst I was on a cruise in Norway, I had the chance to visit Stavanger Central Station. This station opened on the 1st of March 1878 and the early station was modest. It contained a water tower, coal storage, a locomotive shed and workshop buildings, alongside passenger facilities and goods handling. Freight traffic was closely tied to Stavanger's town centre and harbour. The station's national significance increased in 1944 when the Sonderlet line was completed through to Stavanger. This made Stavanger the western terminus of the long-distance railway from Oslo via Kristiansand. In the post-war period, Stavanger station remained a central interchange for rail, bus and ferry connections. A major capacity improvement came in 2009 when the Sandnes-Stavanger section opened with a new double track. Stavanger station is currently served by long-distance and local services. The principal intercity route is between Stavanger, Kristiansand and Oslo. It also has services towards Arendal. This is usually achieved by changing at Naulaug for the Arendal branch. As you come away from those platforms, you see a ticket machine here, which is in many languages. As you turn around, there's the entrance to the main station building. The main station building itself is lovely, light and airy. It's got some lovely light fixtures on the roof. We'll have a look at those in a second. Another ticketing machine there. And there indeed are those unusual light fittings. The most interesting thing here, of course, is the massive arrival and departure board, which is very clear. And if I turn around, you'll see there's the main ticket office plus a small supermarket type shop. There's plenty of seating to be had. There's a little bakery there at the back. I'll just turn around here and show you some more arrival and departure screens. And as I turn around a little bit more, you're going to see that supermarket type thing on your left hand side. But there's the look at the other arrival and departure board again. And just before I leave the station, here's another look at that wonderful bakery there as you walk in. I enjoyed my small time I had here at Stavanger station. I was made to feel very welcome indeed, and indeed it is a lovely little station to start or even end your journey. Many thanks for watching, and I'll be back next week with some more British content.